You could be paying double for your internet right now, and most people in the US don't even realize it. The crazy part, fixing it can take less than 10 minutes. If your internet bill keeps going up every year, this video is for you. On Tech Vibes, I'll show you simple ways to stop overpaying and keep more money in your pocket. First, check your current plan speed. Most people are paying for way more speed than they actually need. If you're just streaming, browsing, and working from home, 100 to 300 Mbps is usually enough. But many providers quietly upgrade you to higher plans that cost more. Go to your account and downgrade if you don't need that extra speed. That alone can save you $20 to $50 every month. Next, call your internet provider. Yes, actually call them. Ask for the retention department and tell them you're thinking of switching. This works more than you think. They often offer hidden discounts or promotions just to keep you. Many people save hundreds per year with one phone call. Third, stop renting equipment. That router or modem you're renting could be costing you $10 to $15 every month. That's over $100 a year. Buy your own modem and router once and you're done. Within a few months, it pays for itself. Fourth, check for competitors in your area. Even if you like your current provider, use competitors as leverage. Look up local fiber, 5G home internet, or smaller providers. Then tell your current company you found a cheaper option. This gives you negotiation power. Fifth, bundle smartly or don't bundle at all. Sometimes bundling internet with TV or phone saves money, but other times it actually costs more long term. Always compare the standalone internet price versus the bundle. Don't assume the bundle is cheaper. Here's a bonus tip most people miss. Check if you qualify for government programs like the Affordable Connectivity Program or local discounts. Depending on your income or situation, you could get your internet bill reduced significantly. At the end of the day, small changes can save you hundreds every year. And the best part is, none of this is complicated. If this helped you save money, hit like and subscribe to Tech Vibes, and let me know in the comments how much you're paying for internet right now.